Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage J, the owner, from the third text in the Simple Comprehension series. The cafe bustled with customers. The sound of excited conversation filled the air, mixing with the clinking of coffee cups. Despite the economic crisis announced on the front pages of the newspapers on each table, people still had time and funds to meet friends for coffee and cake. The owner looked on, calculating how much more money could be taken before they closed at 5 o'clock. The coffee machine whirred and sputtered, trying to keep up. Questions. What does the owner own? Is the cafe busy? How do you know this? What is written about on the front page of the newspapers? What is the owner thinking about? What is meant by keep up as it is used in sentence 5? What does the owner own? It mentions a cafe in the first sentence. Here, is the cafe busy and how do you know this? A few answers here. It is busy. There's the sound of excited conversation mentioned in the second sentence. People still had time to meet friends for coffee and cake, mentioned here. And the coffee machine is trying to keep up with the customer's orders in the last sentence. All indicate a busy cafe. What is written about on the front page of the newspapers? It's news about the economic crisis. It mentions that in the third sentence, here. What is the owner thinking about? The owner of the cafe is thinking about how much more money they can take before the cafe closes. We know that as it says, the owner looked on, calculating how much more money they could take before they closed at 5 o'clock.